In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tremendous fragrances that you could buy all 5 of them for $250 found online at fragrancex.com. The first one is Prada Lunarosa Carbon. My name is Christian O, expert in fragrances since 1996. These are the 5 titles you will want in your collection. If you had a baseball team, this would be your starting lineup, so to speak. These are budget-conscious fragrances that will upscale your lifestyle and your cologne knowledge for sure. Shout out to Ashton from Gen Sense and Dallas from Chaos Fragrances, the OG creator of this topic. Prada Lunarosa Carbon is $55 for the full-size bottle, and it's a perfect beginner starter fragrance. It's an ambroxan heavy fragrance that projects electrically. It smells very masculine, and it has clean ingredients of musks. One of these fragrances that you might wear on a nice day, going out with your friends, coffee, whatever it is that you might do every day. You would think that the Prada Lunarosa Carbon, the name Carbon, makes you think of metallic, but actually no, it's a different type of fragrance. It's very similar to Christian Dior Sauvage, which costs upwards of 2 to 3 times higher than this, but it's not as much in your face as Dior Sauvage. It's a touch sweeter, so to speak. You could easily throw this in your gym bag, take it to you on vacation, wear it with any kind of clothing, any situation, jeans, track jackets, hoodies, linen shirts, t-shirts, anything you want, even professional clothing. Personally, I would spray it 10 times, but as a fragrance newbie, I would only recommend that you would spray it 5 times because maybe you're not used to it. The longevity on Prada Lunarosa Carbon is averaging 6 hours. The compliment factors are through the roof, and it's extremely, extremely good and pleasing to those around you. The second fragrance is called Mont Blanc Legend, found for $33, a big bottle, again at the fragrancex.com website. A super clean, dumb reach. What does that mean? It means you could just blindly grab it, spray it on. It doesn't matter for any situation you will be in. It will not annoy anyone. You can wear it to work. And actually, if you like to use 2 fragrances in one day, I would highly recommend using this because you could spray it all day, 9 a.m. till 1 p.m., and then switch fragrances because it completely disappears from your skin, and then you can enjoy a second fragrance. Other than that, it smells just like Invictus Aqua from 2016. What is that? It's a rare formula of Paco Rabanne Invictus that's very highly sought after on the internet for those fragrance nerds, you know, and the price is way over $100, and this is $33. Smells exactly like it. Grapefruit and pear intense. This is called Y Live Intense. Why did I pick this one? Because a 3.4 ounce bottle is $60 or less, as the Eau de Parfum would be a selection to choose, but that's over $100. You've got some nice aromatic cedars. This is Yves Saint Laurent Y Live Intense. It lasts for 8 hours. It just smells good. You can smell geraniums and fresh florals and aquatics. It mixes well with the cacao powder. And the deep base notes of this fragrance, you have tonka beans, vanilla, cedar woods, and some soft woods coming in at you. It gives you a dry down of a very clean, fresh, woody feeling and a touch of sweet nuances from the vanilla and the cacao. Wear this all day long. It's beautiful fragrance. It has a really cool sprayer on it as well. It comes out really wide like that. It has a youthful energy to it. It's very modern and energetic, highly versatile fragrance, and the performance on Y Live Intense is above average on my skin. 2 hours, huge projection, and 8 hours of longevity for this fragrance. Next fragrance is called Mont Blanc Explorer, found for $48. This is an affordable Creed Aventus formula. If you don't know what that is, that's a $500 fragrance with birch woods and pineapple and stuff. But this one you can use in any situation, wear it to work. It's very likable. Those around you will be pleased that you're wearing it. It's got a very modern formula of a cacao wood and some other fragrance notes in there. It's very versatile. Guess what? This pulls compliments like crazy and smells so good. Acqua di Gio Profumo is found for $96. This is the most highest recommended fragrance on this entire list, especially for a brand new beginner or an advanced level fragrance user. It's got a very clean white musk. It does cost the most money. It's $96 for this big 4.2 ounce bottle, but it gives you a delicious dry down. It's got perfectly placed classic men's note composition in here, which means it's got oak moss and patchouli mixed with aquatics, which is very, very difficult to do in modern perfumery because you know what patchouli is. It's a dirty, earthy, note, and the oak moss is a green, musty green herbal note mixed with an aquatic, but they do it perfectly in here with the musks in here and the clean lavender. It's so well done. It's such a tight fit on this fragrance. You'll be surprised what kind of results you'll get. This is the most complimented fragrances almost an entire world of designer fragrances. The fragrance composition in Acqua di Gio Profumo just works as if they did a super computer calculation to make this fragrance ingredients all work together perfectly, as if a chef, a Michelin star chef, makes his dish with the right amount of cumin and spices and herbs. This fragrance was made in that same manner, a very tight, perfectly blended composition. You will only need 3 sprays of this anyway, as it does project hardcore and it lasts 8 hours easily. This lasts longer than 75% of other fragrances out there. It's called Acqua di Gio Profumo. It's an eau de parfum concentration. It's fantastic for a person that wants to just get out of the house. You can wear it to work as an office professional. You can wear it on a date night. You can wear it in any type of situation, is why I really enjoy this fragrance. It just does the job it's supposed to do. And some viewers told me they were at the restaurant and bar with their wives, and women were coming up to them at their table and saying, "Excuse me, I hate to intrude, but your husband smells so nice. Can I know what he's wearing?" as they walk by the table. And I've heard countless other different stories like that in restaurant and bar situations. So this is the fragrance to get. Question of the day: to help others smell better for less, comment down below, what would you recommend to your friend if he was brand new to fragrances? Would it be one of these fragrance titles, or what would you recommend? Let's help everyone smell better for less. Peace and love. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.